Okay, so today we have a key fob. This is for a Chevy, Pontiac Grand Prix. It's not working, dead, battery's probably dead. So I'm just going to show you how to fix it. I had one earlier that I did fix. It had a little battery connector that holds the battery in was actually broke. So I'm just going to actually just try to get something to pry it loose with. Look for a nice seam here and just kind of like, this is an excellent tool anyway. You can get these off of eBay. It's just a prior, just type in priors. Just kind of pry around it there. Okay, as you can see, came out fairly easily. Okay, all right, this is your battery. Most likely we have a bad battery. What I do with my old battery? My new battery, I mean, just had it. Okay, this is our new battery, Energizers. Got it from Walgreens or Rite Aid or whatever store you got, drugstore in your city, CVS, whatever. So I'm just gonna tell you, this is a 3-volt. Now, when you buy these batteries for your remote, just make sure it actually has a size. This is a CR2032 3-volt. See if I can zoom in on that. So slippery. Alright, let's try it again so you can see it. See the size actually on top, CR2032. Okay, that's the number that you're going to go by when you go to Walgreens or and find the size of your battery. And then just make sure it says 3 volts. Okay, and sometimes when you go in a store, they have like a little circular chart that you can actually stick your old battery in to make sure it fits. But be on the safe side. Just get the number off of it. CR2032. So it's going to be 2032. Just like this one says, you can barely read it there. 2032. So I tore the package up, and that's it. And we should be getting 3 volts. Usually the bottom part is the positive. Okay, and we can actually access from the side. So we test our batteries. We could just. Okay, 3.2 volts. Okay. Now I'll see what our old one checks. This one was actually in a minute, and sometimes it worked. The last week or so it wasn't working. I had to manually open up my car. We'll just pull this out here. Okay, let's check that one. Okay, that actually says 2.9 volts. Okay. Which is pretty close. So actually what I'm going to do before I put this new battery in here is I'm actually going to pull this apart right here. Okay, this is where our keypads are on the other side, so we can pull this out of here. Sorry you guys can't get a good, here, somebody help. Shed some more light on the subject there. Okay, I'm just going to pull this apart. Just like that, okay? And this is the actual touch button. I'm just gonna get some 91% alcohol, Q-tip. Clean the contacts. And actually clean the contact that's up under the battery right here. Clean this contact also. This is where the battery sits at. The negative side, positive side is up on this one. Okay. Now I'm also going to clean these buttons here. Okay, the little contacts right here in the back, little black dots. These are all the contacts that touch the button, that actually triggers the button when you press it. Okay, I'm just going to clean those off. See, look at that. Some people use soap and water and get a toothbrush, which is absolutely fine. I use alcohol because I think it's better. It's my opinion. I'm actually going to let's let this part dry for a few seconds. Also, another thing I forgot to let you guys know is that zoom in on that. Now, come on. Is these actual tabs right here where the bracket for the battery is mounted in at will actually crack and get bad saw connection will actually be totally loose. Make sure all your connections, like right here and these two right here, there's one here on this side right there, and there's also one here on this side. Okay, make sure that those are soldered all the way in. If not, just get you some solder. You just touch it up, just like so. And you can also do the same on the other two sides here if you want, but these look okay. I'm just gonna probably leave those alone for right now, but just in case. And as you can see, these are the two other connections here. Actually, this one and this one here, which is actually going, making sure that we have contact in there. And if you want, you can put some solder right here if you want. Just don't put too much because it gets make sure that the entire remote control closes it all the way when you reassemble it. So you don't want any solder balls sticking up there. And then we'll just change our battery here. As you can see, the battery is marked. Big old positive side there in the bottom. Once again, the size of this battery is a 2032, 3 volts. We did check it. Let me check this one just to show you. It should be right at 3. Top part is negative. Three volts, okay. Just gonna slide this in here like so. Pretty easy. It's in there already. Put our keypad back together. Make sure that your buttons are facing, that your contacts are facing the buttons here. Okay. Like so. And also check the circuit board, make sure there's no damage on that. Make sure these components are charred or burnt or anything like that, especially this decoder right here. Okay, and then we're gonna put it back together. Easy peasy, right? Easy peasy. Snap back, come on, snap back, there we go. That's it. Just like brand new. Okay. Alright guys, once again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. And Big Dog out. Okay. Grand Prix, second car. As you can see, back working.